Hey everybody, and welcome to art class today. We are going to be covering Zentangles, okay? So Zentangles are just like our abstract doodle art, okay? With a lot of flair. So you need to make sure that you are opening up the PDF called Zentangles for your assignment today, okay? It's going to look like this. Okay, it should have that at the top. Okay, and so our first step, you need to get a Sharpie or a pen. Okay, we don't need any pencil till the end. And then you're going to create a loop-de-loop line or a zigzag. Then we're going to fill in the spaces between the lines with different patterns. And then we're going to try to add letters. And then you can add color or shapes or anything else to it, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So what you're going, like I said, you're going to need a pen or a pencil. So let me go grab a pen so we can get started on this. Okay, so let me get the camera flipped around so you guys can see everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started here. So the first step you're going to do is just do a big looped line. Okay, so we've got our loops and our different swirls and everything. Okay, so then what we're going to do is start adding patterns to each of these spaces, okay? So I like to kind of like take these edges and turn them into eyelashes, these rounded edges, you know? So they kind of look like eyelashes. And down here, we'll do that as well. Okay. Now, in these curves, I like to build patterns. So I'm gonna build a pattern that looks like this. And then we'll add some shapes to the pattern. Okay, and then inside here, let's do like a checkerboard pattern. So we draw all these straight lines this way and then some straight lines this way. And then just like fill in every other one. Okay, it's completely up to you how you guys want to do this, but you know, this is kind of my thought process here. Okay. And then I like to incorporate some stuff that looks like this as well. It kind of gives it some texture when you do, you know, when you add elements that look like this, okay? So after a while, you're gonna have something, you know, that looks like this. You've added letters, okay? I use these curly Q things from time to time. You just keep going and keep going. And then eventually you're gonna have something that ends up looking like this. It's just, and another challenge you can try to do is do your name in cursive and then add that to it, okay? So there are your instructions again. I'll put the page here on screen for you to see again. So use the edge of the paper as the edge of your design, okay? And then remember, we want to draw a string-like or a zigzag line. Zigzag lines are pretty cool too because they give you a lot of angles to try to do stuff with. So remember to fill in as much space as you possibly can. So, you know, on my example, I left a lot of room, okay? I left a lot of room between my letters and stuff like that. If you guys make your things closer together, it's going to be a lot easier to fill in. So, remember to do the attendance. Make sure you fill in your attendance. Look at the PDF that I will have attached for this. And then remember, when you get ready to submit your assignment, you're going to click the submit button on the upper right hand corner. You're going to click the microphone, which is the audio video message, and then you're going to hold up what you did, and you're going to hold it up to the camera like this, and you're going to say, hey, this is why I did this. Doesn't it look pretty cool? What do you think about it? And then, you know, tell me something about it. Why you did your circles one way, or why you used the pattern you did. So there's your assignment for today. I will see you on Friday. You don't have school on Wednesday, okay? And I will, as long as you submit an audio video message, I will reply to you with an audio video message. So you guys have a good rest of your Monday. I will catch you in the next one.